The next principle is about presenting the product per product family. So the presentation should be as per the product family. Let me share with you an example to explain this principle of presentation. So if you see here on the diagram, on graph in front of you, the planogram in front of you, so this display is done per product family. So all product displayed should be as per the product family. For example, if you're talking about the cookies, if you're talking about the biscuits, so as per the product family, they should be displayed together. Rather than, if you say, for example, if there are salt cookies, if there are sweet cookies, if there are cookies which are salt and sweet, if there are cookies with cream, if there are cookies without cream, if there are cookies which are with full grain, if you have cookies which is diet cookies, so they are all different product families. The family is the same, they are all cookies actually. So they should be displayed and presented together on the shelf, because this will give an image of the customer that you have the whole depth and breadth in the assortment, and customer can really pick whatsoever he wants to buy from your store. So the principles to follow in it, that this product, a per product family display has to be a powerful presentation. You need to turn article label to the front. For example, let me give you an example of it. For example, this product, you can see the front of the article on the display. So the face of the product should be in the front. On the back of the display, the back of the product should be at the back side of the display. And then you need to create visually appealing displays, of course, keeping into consideration the color factor, keep into consideration the size factor, the smallest to largest, and the different color combinations will really help identifying the customers to buy more, convince customer to buy more. Then the seventh principle is about presenting the product per size of packaging. So you should present in a way that the products should be presented in as per the size of the packaging, from smallest to largest. It is the basic principle which is followed in terms of presentation. So normally the articles which are of the smallest size, packaging size is small, they are presented on the top, and the articles which the size of the packaging is large, normally they are displayed on the bottom. So the principle to follow, the articles which are bulk articles or big volume articles or big size articles or big packaging articles, they should be presented on proper pallets. So displayed should be there. So if they can be easily accommodated on the shelf, perfectly fine. If they are not easily accommodated on the shelf, then they should be placed on the proper palletized area. So this main principle was about presenting the product as per the size of the packaging, and normally I've just described that the basic principle is that you follow from smallest at the top and the largest size of packaging in the bottom. Then eighth principle of presentation is about maintaining the product placements. So what it is about, normally once you visit a store, and let me give an example here. For example, if there was cheese article which is Adam's cheese and it was here, but now this stock is out of stock at the moment because of some issue, because of some problem, there is an out of stock. So you should maintain this place. You should not fill it with the products. Normally the stores which do not work with the proper principles, normally if some article is not available, they fill it with the article which is available. So the basic principle is that you need to maintain the place for this article so that the customer should know that this product you are carrying in your store, but at the moment this product is not available. Just imagine if this product is filled with this product here, then the customer will think maybe you do not have this product which is actually the customer wants to buy at that particular time from your store. So because you have filled that place. So the basic rule is that you need to maintain product placements properly. And second is about the turn article labels to the front. You need to make sure the products have proper facings. Not the backside of the product, the face of the product should be in front. So the eighth principle was about maintaining the product placement. There is a set schedule for it, there is set a rule for it. And the rule is, for example, if you have non-availability of a product for example 30 days, for example 15 days, then you can fill that product with some other product. Otherwise, if it is a short-term shelf gap, then you need to maintain that product placement so that the customer should know that this product is out of stock at the moment and this product will be available in a shorter period of time. Next is about the turn article labels to the front. So the ninth principle was that the way you have to present the product, this is a yes and this is a no. So the two examples are easily a reflector of the point number 9 rule of the presentation. Once you present the product, you see here the facing of the product, and in this case you did not know what the product is about. Maybe the description will tell you, description on the top will tell you the product is about it is a juice, or it is about a pool, it is about some tea, it is about some detergent, it is about some powder. You don't know from the packaging that which product it is. So turn article label to the front is one of the key rules. So from the packaging, the customer should know that this product is about fruits, is about vegetables, is about some seasonal product, is about clothing, or whatsoever it is, which is a very right example. If you say here, clearly identified the product is a pool, which is for the family or for the kids. And what you have to keep into consideration, these 2 points: do not place articles on the floor. Again, the basic principle was that you should have properly pallets to make product displays. The product should not touch the floor directly. And the massification, the mass merchandising should be very much there, because that will create an appeal to the customer that he will buy the product for the retailer.